Let's start the decade off with a sneaky blind buy unboxing. You want to find out what it is? Well then, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Scott, this is the Scenturion, and today it's a sneaky blind buy. It's part of my channel that I do once in a while in honour of a great TV programme called The Peaky Blinders. That's why I'm dressed up like this. Anyway, let's lose the hat because I can't concentrate with that on. Sneaky blind buy unboxing. I go out, buy something cheap that I've never heard of before, never smelled before, and I show it to you guys. Today we have something I bought in TK Maxx, or I believe in America it's TJ Maxx. This is Scenturion. Never heard of them before, and it cost me £12. Apparently it's an EDP concentrate. It's 100ml. What could go wrong? 100ml EDP concentration for £12. Let's see. Alright, lose that. So, I went out the other day, as per usual, just trolling around to see what bargains I could see. Went to TK Maxx, saw this out, there was only one bottle, and I thought, I've got to give it a go. Don't know anything about it. Haven't looked up anything online either. So this is going to be a total surprise. That is the box. Really nice presentation. The box is in like a snake skin with two tones of red. And if we open it up, you have your standard. Oh wow. Got the box there. That is the bottle. That bottle reminds me a lot like a mixture between the Acqua di Gio bottles by Giorgio Armani and Jimmy Choo man bottles as well. That's what that looks like. Let me just undo my shirt so we'll have a spray on skin. Hopefully I'm not going to smell obscenely or for the rest of the day. But it's a beautiful bottle. On the bottom you've got your normal sticker, and I don't know if you can see the juice. The juice is sort of a reddish colour, so let's give it a spray straight out and give it another one for luck. Fairly good atomizer, good distribution. Wow, and straight off of the bat I'm getting a fruity note. There's lots of what smell like tonka bean in that, and there's a woody background as well. That is absolutely beautiful for the money. I can't believe that. I don't know whether I would say it's a crowd pleaser. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It's not going to blow you away, but it's got some aquatic tones to it by the smell of it as well. It's going to be a summer scent for sure, but it's really nice. It's got with the fruits and the woods and that aquatic tone to it. It is a lot like Acqua di Gio Absolute and mixed with maybe Versace Blue. That fits in with that genre. But it's really pleasant. It really is. It's got the fruits. They smell more like a dark berry. I can't really get any florals or anything, but that is £12 really well spent. I will do a longer review of it, just so we can get an idea of what the longevity of it is and what have you. I'm not expecting huge amounts, not for that money, but 100ml of EDP for £12. That seems crazy. That is really, really nice. It's got a mint in there as well, by the smell of it. Really nice. It's a fresh, fruity, woody scent. It's gorgeous. Scenturion Private Red, that is called. Look it up if you will. And for that price, it's worth a damn punt, isn't it? So, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And I will see you very, very soon. Oh, and Happy New Year to you as well. See you later.